Different types of heated oxygen sensors, a zirconia, a ceramic, and a titania. That's what we'll be doing a test on during this experiment. Show you how this works. When you start a Vantage Pro, you're going to have to select your vehicle ID. This is a preset 1999 Camry, so I'm just going to select my presets. Normally you would go in and make a new vehicle ID, select the brand, go start from square one. However, this is already done for me. Your heated oxygen sensor is going to test through your exhaust fumes mostly. It's going to adjust, it's got a pre-cat and a post-cat. It's going to adjust your fuel-air ratio and your drivability. With your pre-cat and your post-cat, it's just going to see how much oxygen storage is actually in your exhaust. You're going to have to choose what sensor, O2 out of all the sensors, map, and all that. And then you'll have a choice of Federal, California. You always choose Federal, because we aren't in California. If you go in here and you choose what component test you want to do, it opens up a little tab here to show you where you're going to need to back probe your relay. It says number 3 O2 signal, number 4 O2s. So number 3 is what we're going to want to back probe because